Amazons, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, my name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. Today we are going to be unboxing this damaged Boxyluxe box for the month of September, right? Yeah. So if you're interested in seeing what I got in my Boxyluxe, then keep on watching. So I usually am pretty good about like putting it in my calendar when choice day is, but the past 2 months I didn't do that, and it's crazy because the first time I went on the Boxycharm website, it was because I had to update my debit card, and it just happened to be choice day, and I was like, oh, that was lucky. And then the second time I went to see if this had been shipped yet, and it was choice day. I was like, damn, somebody's on my side, because I would have missed it if it wasn't for that. So I was able to choose items. I don't remember what they are now, but we will find out. So, ooh, okay, is there a theme? I'd guess not. Okay, so the first product is something I actually bought and returned, but hey, if it's free, I'll take it. And I guess everyone who does receive a Boxyluxe box will be receiving this. Oh, those are my brownies. I forgot about them. Let me just pull it out real quick. It is the Natasha Denona Zendo palette. I actually just did 2 different looks using the new My Dream palette. So I'm trying to remember. It wasn't that I didn't like it. It was just I wasn't in love with it for the price. And now that I'm looking at it, it looks really pretty. Okay, so here is the Zendo palette. And this retails for $69. Okay, let me go take my brownies out of the oven. There are cheesecake brownies. There was like a cream cheesecake layer or something that's on top. Anyways, so this is actually my first time buying a wig that has bangs, and I kind of like it. And it's also nice because you don't have to worry about it being a lace front, because those are going to be more expensive. Anyways, alright, next we have, ooh, this was one of the items I chose. I do remember it now. And it comes with sequins. It is the McGrath Eyeshadow. Okay, the cult classic creme de la creme of Mother's iconic shadows, now starring solo in seductive singles and a tantalizing array of textures and hues. So this retails for $25. Okay. And apparently they don't want you to open it without scissors. But the sequence is gonna go everywhere. Ooh, so this is in the shade Rose Venus. Yeah. Let me open it. Oh, hold on, there's some tape. Here is what it looks like. Okay, it's kind of like a rose gold. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a really gorgeous rose gold. Okay. So next, oh, this was also a choice item. It is the Olay Sea Rush Brightening Gel Cream. This lightweight gel moisturizer packed with 3 forms of vitamin C and Rose of Winter extract instantly brightens and delivers 24-hour hydration. So I'm usually not a big fan of gel moisturizers because I have really dry skin. Usually gel moisturizers are going to work better for someone with oily skin, but I love Ole Henriksen. Like, they're, oh my gosh, why can't I think of the name? Skin perfecting moisturizer, or sheer transformation, that's what it is like one of my all-time favorite moisturizers. I also love anything that says brightening, so that is kind of why I chose it, and because it's Ole Henriksen. So here is what it looks like. And this retails for, oh, I think I said $34. Ooh, okay, so this looks a little bit thicker than a gel moisturizer, but let me see. A tiny bit. You can still tell that it's a gel moisturizer, but it's a tiny bit thicker. It does have a nice citrus scent. I'm excited about that. Okay. Next, okay. Is this Ren Clean Skincare Evercalm Redness Relief Serum. Nature's stand against sensitivity, this fast-acting white mushroom-powered serum is clinically proven to reduce redness after just 30 minutes while soothing signs of sensitivity in 7 days, including dryness, itching, discomfort, flakiness, tightness, or burning sensation. This new Velvet Touch Serum is proven to strengthen skin's moisture barrier and help protect from pollution. Ooh, I want all of that. Okay, this retails for $60. Ren Skincare is also another good skincare brand. Ooh, this looks very interesting. I'm excited to try that. Okay, moving right along. Never heard of this brand before, I don't think, but I feel like maybe I've gotten it in Boxycharm before. Alright, this is Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment. This serum lip product provides instant hydration while softening, smoothing, and plumping. Formulated with a natural lip volumizing ingredient delivered from biomolecules extracted from pomegranate flowers along with liquefied jojoba wax, this lip conditioning treatment adds luxurious, long-lasting shine and cushion. So it retails for $26. Oh, and it does say it's brand new to Boxy. So, no, I haven't gotten anything from them before. It looks like it's colored. It is. Oh, and it's a bright pink. I mean, can you see that? Oh, yeah. I'm so keeping this. Anything that hydrates my lips plus gives me color, especially if it's a pink color, I'm all about. Okay, I don't care if I've never heard the brand before. Just like the next item. Okay. We have this Beauty Bio Bright Eyes Depuffing and Brightening Eye Gels. Stay in place cooling eye gels help depuff, brighten, and fill in the appearance of fine lines to rescue the delicate under eye skin from the effects of stress, sleepless nights, and red-eye flights. So this retails for $28. Okay. Helps smooth fine lines, brightens dark circles, helps diminish puffiness. So there's 8 pairs in here. You know, I have so many under eye gel things. I'm probably not going to keep this, but I just want to... Okay, it's kind of hard to tell what they like. I do like that it's brightening though. Oh, in one of the pictures, it says that you can put it around, like for your smile lines. Huh. I never even thought about that. Okay. Next, it's from another brand I've never heard of. Okay, this, I don't know how you pronounce it. Queen? It's like queen, but instead of a W, I mean a U, it's a V. Qveen. Partners in Crime Lip Liner Duo. Indulge your inner bad bitch. The rich, buttery formula of this lip liner duo delivers a high pigment payoff that seals in moisture for comfortable, long-lasting wear. Okay, let's see what kind of colors we have here. So this one is called Spray Tan. Ooh, that's actually really pretty. It's kind of like a rose nude. It's actually just like a really good nude color. That's awesome, actually. Oh, you can see the color on the bottom. And is this a red or coral? Let's see. Ooh, you know, I don't have like a really good red lip liner. I have some, but they're not really good. That one looks very good, and these are really creamy too. And they retail for $18. And I just lost the lid. And the last product is this Spongel Honey Blossom Soap Buffer. I think almost everyone knows what a Spongel is. 99% of the time I use the soap I make in the shower, but sometimes I will use a Spongel. This retails for $18. Let's see how it smells. Okay, not bad. Oh, it doesn't have a little string. I hate when it comes without a string. And it's an $18 one? Please. Alright, let me see if I can add this up in my head. Okay, so the total retail value for my box was $278. So I'm most excited about the Zendo palette, the Pat McGrath eyeshadow, the Olay cream, and this Ren serum. I really like those lip liners too. And I'm excited to try this colored lip treatment. I mean, and I use Spongel, so really, like, this was a good box for me. Like, I like all the products that I got. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and if you've gotten your box yet. I always feel like I get my Boxyluxes late. Like, my Boxycharms usually come around the same time as everyone else's, but my Boxycharms usually come late. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.